Chevy. I'm whipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy, my Chevy.
Alright, had a little bit of water in the line, or air in the line. You got it all sprayed down. Bring y'all back in a couple minutes. I don't know if we're finna get ready. I think I might move the box over here. Well, I'll move the cutlass up. I don't know. I'm thinking move the box and then the cutlass. Put the box closer to the garage and then cutlass. But either way, basically, so this is open so I can get my bike in and out. That's the goal. Usually I kind of pull it over to the side, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So that might be the move here in just a second. Stay tuned. I'll let you know. Alright, so we got Cutlass pulled up. And I think I'm gonna put the photo down there. Hopefully it cooperates the way I need it to. We'll be good to go. And then whatever else I need to do to it, I can do it over there. Cause I don't foresee me driving the truck no time soon. The Cutlass could probably go at the very end, but I don't really foresee that finna happen right now. And then that only leaves this one to move over there. So let's see. Alright, so I done messed around and let it get too late. I'm not going fool with it tonight. I'll wait until the morning after it's fully charged up. Cause I can't find the keys. Terrible, right? Can't find the keys. I know that they here somewhere. I just can't put my paws on them right now. So once I find the keys, we'll get that thing moved and then take it from there. And then once that's out the way, then I can just pull in and out on my little scooter, my scoot. All right, so a day or two done passed. Get ready to move the box. On this one, I'm gonna go back and get the classic. The antiques. That way I don't have to renew it. 2025. Alright, so we got Cutlass warming up. I still don't have the fans hooked up. But we can do that once it's over there. Let's let them move. It ain't perfect. Alright, so the lineup is back complete. Photo, Tudo, bike out and got some errands to run. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Rock 254. So y'all already in the garage. There go baby. There go baby. Baby on Adrian. Up doing a little cleaning this morning. Cleaning and straightening in the garage. As you can see, the driveway is clear. So so we can pull the bike out at will. At will, my boy. Pull that bike out. Hop the garage, go backwards, get it going. But about to go through. I know it's a little. I mean, it's beginning of the year cleaning, but it's March. But yeah, we still working our way through everything. So last time we was on this side, we pretty much like kind of repurposed everything with all the boxes, etc., etc. Still got a little bit of clutter. Whatever, got some stuff that it's organized, but it's still kind of in a way like I still want to get like the actual what you call it. I would love to have like a shit, but they say as it's another way to accumulate some more stuff. But I wouldn't want to let it like overflow the shed though. Some of it is just like stuff that has to be done so we can get it taken care of. So that's what I'm gonna work on today. Then I keep accumulating shit. So at the job, we get these shelves. They're like, oh yeah, we got some shelves and stuff, you know. They changed up the layout and shit, and so I was like, well, that'll go good for the garage because I can just stack my stuff on it. So I took like all my cans of, you know, cleaners, tire cleaner, interior cleaner, Freon, spray on remover, protector, butane, whatever I had that was like in a can or whatever, I put it there on the shelf. Also clean chemicals. And then it's got room on the back too. So, you know, pretty much just took a whole lot of stuff that was over here in the corner on these shelves and I put it up there. Now I can put like more like tools over here. Those are the swingers. I done tuck them away until I get ready to box the tires for them. And then we'll come back and revisit those. But they tuck off in there nicely. So yeah, now we're gonna pretty much be going through the garage, getting rid of whatever. Like this helmet. Honestly, this helmet can go. But I'm gonna take my Cena headset off of here. But the helmet can go because, well, I don't even know if it's necessary the helmet. So, I mean, it don't matter. But yeah, this helmet I've had probably, I won't say it's too long, but I've had it for a while. This time. It is time. But like I said, I'm gonna pull my Cena headset off of there. And then from there, because see, this is not bad. Like, I'm pretty sure it was just a piece. Y'all let me know how my motorcycle piece. I ain't gonna do it. Y'all like me. No, for real. I ain't even gonna waste my time pulling it out. I had to take that shit so that because the visor was popping out. I'm gonna take my headset off there and get rid of that helmet. Along with purging a whole lot of other stuff in here in the garage and just trying to declutter, man. Trying to declutter as much as possible. So I'm gonna look up here through these boxes, condense those. I know these are like a lot of parts. I think these are like $2. two-door door panels and some other two-door parts and stuff. So I need to go through that stuff, see what we got, and just working our way around the garage, getting everything kind of how we need to be. We kind of skipped that part that we put a car in, but the toolbox is pretty well done. So we're gonna move work this area and then work our way all the way around. All right, so we just got back from the movies. We're gonna see that Creed movie. Creed 3. It's good. I recommend going to watch it. I won't spoil it for you. I'll just say, watch it. So, looking over here, as you can see, this desk, workbench is probably the cleanest it has been in a long time. So, we're gonna try to keep it that way. There's a whole bunch of stuff, had to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff, etc., etc. So, like I said, working our way around the garage, starting over here, working our way around. We just hit the work table. So, I don't know as much that I can do over here as of yet. I'm thinking one of them Robert tables can probably go up there. Men that don't use it like that. Yeah, not both of them. Because if I can get them both off the floor, then that's good. And then I can put a little shelf right here, over here. So that's what I'm thinking. But in order to do that, I gotta get up there and see what's going on with the boxes. So stand by. But we working on